Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we are about to step inside one of the most jaw-dropping creations in the world of luxury motorhomes, the brand new $3 million Mercedes-Benz Actros STX 2026, and trust me, you won't believe what's hiding behind these sleek doors. From the outside, this beast already looks like a rolling fortress of elegance. The Actros STX combines Mercedes-Benz's legendary engineering with STX's luxurious craftsmanship, making it more than just a motorhome. It's a five-star hotel on wheels, designed for billionaires, celebrities, and those who want to experience the ultimate in road luxury. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by an interior that screams sophistication. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and handcrafted wood finishes wrap you in an atmosphere that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. And wait until you see the living space. It's bigger and more luxurious than some city apartments. The lounge area is designed with a massive panoramic window, giving you stunning views while you relax in total comfort. A smart entertainment system with 8K displays, hidden surround sound, and even voice-controlled features ensures that everything is at your command with just a word. Moving into the kitchen, this isn't just a camper kitchen, it's a full luxury chef's setup. You've got state-of-the-art appliances, induction cooktops, a premium oven, wine coolers, and even a smart fridge that keeps track of your groceries. Cooking on the road has never been this stylish. Now let's talk about the bedroom, because this is where the Actros STX truly shines. A king-size bed, luxury bedding, integrated climate control, and blackout smart glass windows make it feel like a five-star suite. Imagine falling asleep under the stars in absolute silence and waking up to breathtaking views with just a button to reveal the glass ceiling. Of course, a motorhome at this level wouldn't be complete without a spa-inspired bathroom. Inside, you'll find a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, a backlit vanity mirror, and storage crafted like high-end luxury apartments. It feels less like travel and more like living inside a luxury resort. This is not just a motorhome, it's a $3 million rolling palace designed to redefine what luxury travel means. Whether you're cruising across Europe, exploring the US highways, or parking by a hidden beach, the Actros STX makes sure you do it in unmatched style. So what do you think about this motorhome? Would you live full-time in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX if money wasn't an issue? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible luxury vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Plus, where we bring you the future of luxury travel today.